So it is a beautiful day in Vancouver this morning. It started off cloudy, but it is cleared up, and it's my first time in sunshine in Canada this trip, which is great. I'm now going to head to North Van again. I'm going to shoot with Liv, doing some sort of fitness, portrait, lifestyle kind of shoots, which is a new territory for me, but I really enjoy it, and I'm going to take you along for the ride as well. So what's going to be particularly interesting today is North Vancouver is still under cloud, and so Liv said it's sunny but also foggy, and I think that's because the cloud is lifting. So by the time I get there, it might be luscious sunshine like this as well. We hope to shoot at the Vancouver Public Library downtown, which is an amazing rooftop that's open for anyone to use. But it is Good Friday today, and it's Easter weekend, so it's completely closed, which is really frustrating because I was so happy to find the perfect location, and it's not available for the 3 days that I'm here. So we'll have to figure something out. Right, so I've made it to North Vancouver. I should explain, North Vancouver is separate from downtown Vancouver, separated by the Burrard Strait, so you can either get a bus across the bridge or the sea bus, which is what I took, and I love it because this is why I like Vancouver. There's mountains, there's ocean, there's planes all around, helicopters, buses. It's so vibrant, but because of the different landscapes, and I love that so much. I'm looking for angles in effect, but not as in from a perspective point of view, but as in architecturally. If there is tight corners where a bit of light peeks through, that's exactly what I want, to get that sort of isolating light, and it's also that direct light, so it's just perfect for this kind of shoot. Another element to consider is actually the background, and we're in a very public, busy area here. There's loads of different colours and textures, which is great, but again with this extreme lighting, if somebody is lit by the sun and the background is in shade, you can really isolate them nicely, and it's basically studio lighting for free. Found her! So Liv has taken me to Colour Alley, which I didn't know existed, so this is really cool, and it's great because there's so many backgrounds, as you can see. We can just work with this for a long time, trying out different colours and just seeing what works. Oh my god, I nearly dropped it. I turned it around in my hand and just absolutely nearly dropped it. So we come to this spot because there's extreme sunlight but darkness behind, so it's basically a natural spotlight. Okay, so we just found a bit of a gold mine on the street. Someone has trimmed one of the cherry blossom trees. There are all these branches around. So we had an idea. So thank you again as always for watching. As you will have noticed, all of those shots were completely done with natural light, and that's the only kind of portrait shooting I like to do. I did say at the beginning of the video, this is a very new world for me, these sort of lifestyle portraity kind of shots. But it's just nice because landscape travel stuff can be very lonely, so getting to just go out with friends and have fun and just try things, be a bit creative, is really, really awesome. So it's nice to have something new to do, something to be a bit creative with, and then something to figure out techniques for that I hope I can share as well. So it's all this natural light stuff I love, and I'm kind of taking these lessons from landscape and transforming it into portrait stuff. So it is interesting, and yeah, if you liked it, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I've got loads more traveling to do, loads more photography to share, so I look forward to seeing you in the next one.